Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today you caught me on my lunch break. I am here to introduce to you the SOCOM Bravo and the Kyroh Pen, which have been recording here at Microtech, and they never been posted, so this is an exclusive treat for you guys that I hope you enjoy. Hello everybody, welcome back to Microtech Knives YouTube channel. Today I am very excited to provide you guys with a brand new review, a brand new release. This is a collaboration piece, and this is the SOCOM Bravo. So this collaboration is between Microtech Knives and Rike Knife. This one is our Tanto style SOCOM Bravo. Let me go ahead and show you the single edge clip point. This is the package, and here it is. So smooth. Okay, this knife features an overall length of 9.08 inches, blade length of 4 inches, handle length of 5.08 inches. Its weight is 4.5 ounces. The blade steel is an M390 and the handle is composed of carbon fiber as well as a 6AL-4V titanium. It also features a tip-up pocket carry clip as well as a lanyard hole. So this knife comes in two different configurations: the single edge clip point with partial serrations as well as non-serrations, and then the Tanto style, which comes fully serrated, partially serrated, or with no serrations at all. The pivot color can be blue or bronze, and there you have it. It is a great knife, you guys. Great collaboration, amazingly built, very comfortable in the hand, and it's a great tactical knife for high use. I am excited today to show you another new release. This is the Kyroh Pen. The Kyroh Pen is a collaboration between Microtech Knives and Rike Knife. So this one is designed by us and produced by Rike Knives. Now, the cool thing about this pen is that it comes in a standard size as well as a mini size. The standard pen measures 5.87 inches and it weighs 1.8 ounces. The mini pen measures 4.8 inches and it weighs 1.4 ounces. Both of them have a barrel diameter of 0.5 inches. So the Kyroh, it's a bolt action pen that is meant to twist and lock in place. It comes in a bead blast finish like the one I have in my hand, as well as a shot pinned lock. It also has a glass breaker that's illuminated, carbon fiber, and a full titanium construction. This pen accepts Fisher Space cartridges, which allow you to choose between a bold or a fine tip, as well as you're able to write on water or on greasy surfaces. There you have it, the Kyroh Pen. I hope you enjoyed the review. We are very excited to introduce a lot of new releases to you guys, so please go ahead, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you for watching.